Dear viewers, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I'll be taking you on how you can be able to master packaging designs using Smartmockups. I go by the name Charming and this is Charming Creative Studios. So what you need to do, just open your internet browser. In this case I'll be using Google Chrome, so just open it and on the search bar here just type smartmockups.com. So right now we are in the mockups website, and on this part you can be able to see the different mockups that you can use for your design, ranging from technology, print, packaging, apparel, home living and seasonal. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the packaging mockup. So just head on packaging, and on packaging now you can be able to see the different items too. There are things to do with cosmetics, food, beverages, supplements, bags and boxes and also others. So for the purpose of the video, I'll be using the beverages option. So under beverages here, you can see there are 376 beverages mockups ranging from bottles, cups and even cans. So I'll just point and click on cans. Alright, so guys, now you can be able to see all these cans here looking so beautiful, and just something I would want you to check is that actually these parts here that are for the pro version, you can be able to see these parts here with this kind of yellow here. So basically means that if you choose any of these, you will need to upgrade to the pro version so that at least the watermark will not be exported together with your design, but at least they have presented us with some free mockup scans here, like for example this one, this one, and even this one. So you can just pick any of them. I'm just going to point and click on this one. So here are my 500 ml cans presented over here. So I have the first can and the second can too. So I can decide that one design should appear on the first can while the other design appears on the other can, and actually you can still decide for the same design to appear on the same two cans. And apparently, by the way guys, it's not a must for you to have a specific design. You can even attach your own image, and basically that's what you're gonna do today so that you can see exactly how you can be able to do that. So first I'm going to pick my first design here, my first can over here. On this other part here, on the settings where I can be able to place my image or even my design, we have the left can, which is this one, and also the right can, which is this one. So I'm just going to start with the first can. I just need to click on upload from, and from this settings here, I just need to come and point on upload image. This one takes you right to your computer's hard drive for you to be able to locate where the image is. So my image is on the desktop, and this is the design that I want to place on the can. So I just need to click on it, and then under here there is open. So click on open. Amazing. So this is how my design looks on the first can. So I'm just gonna head directly to the second can over here at the right can, and again repeat the same procedure. Over this time you might want to choose a different design or even the same one, or even pick an image. For my case, I'm going to pick an image. So here is my design, which is so much ready for exporting. But one thing we need to do right now, we first probably need to crop the image just a little bit so that it can be able to fit very well on our screen. So just head over to this tool over here, just close to the download button, just point and click on it. So on the presets presented here, you just need to pick one option depending on where exactly you'll be using your image. There is even Facebook cover, HD format and so on. So I'm just going to pick the original format over here. And now from here, you can be able to see our design is ready for cropping. So you just need to use any of these points over here. So after you're done, just point and click on download for you to be able to export your image. And right here, I've got options for medium, high, and even super high. If you have got an account with the Smartmockups, you can basically be able to use these two options over here even without upgrading to the pro version. So for this purpose, I'm just gonna pick the option for medium for the image to be processed for downloading. Once the design is ready, it will directly be downloaded to your computer's hard drive. We're just gonna head directly to the downloads over here. Pick the image that has just been downloaded right now. Here it is. This is the image over here. Let's just double click on it to open. Wow, so here is our design over here. So you can even print this particular design, hang it on a wall, or even use it for any other designing purpose. So guys, that was the tutorial of today. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you do so, and even share this particular video to as many people as you can. Thank you.